Color is white, and her favorite subject is arts.
Ano na? Sana ang kausap ko kung bagal.
She loves discovering something that is new, and she enjoys playing with her younger sisters, and of course watching war movies.
Sakat ko, kitnang bilang ah.
Candidate number 4 is the daughter of Jonathan Boy Buliklik and Feliciana Kelly A. Buliklik. Candidate number 4 is Benny Jane Adiban Buliklik. Candidate number 5. Gold and silver will vanish away, but education will never decay, says candidate number 5. He is from Binabaw, Mountain Province, and was born December 13, 1994.